everyone. Today I'm going to show you an experiment on what happens if you mix baking soda and vinegar. If you've seen my video on how to blow up a balloon with science, you would know what happens. So what we're going to do here is we're going to put the vinegar inside the baking soda and see what happens. And I'll show you why it happens as soon as we're done doing this. So I'm putting the baking soda here. Are you excited? I am. See here, it's erupting. Now we have to know why it's happening. Why is it happening? It is happening because when the baking soda and the vinegar molecules come together, they form a gas. It's called carbon dioxide. That is what is there inside all of these bubbles. It's just carbon dioxide. That time we used it to blow up a balloon. Today we're using it to make a volcano. Thank you.